Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to create a stunning presentation using AI. Go to Presentations.AI and click on the Try for Free button to create a new account. There are several options for signing up. For this tutorial, we'll use the Gmail option. By clicking on this button, we can select an existing logged-in account. Next, we'll continue with the authorization process. At this point, the system prompts us to select a role. Depending on your work role, you can choose the most suitable option. Now we're presented with the prompt entry screen. A prompt is a set of instructions given to our AI engine to guide the creation of your presentation. Let's create a presentation about the effects of global warming on climate change. We can choose the number of slides we want. For this example, we'll select 15 slides. Additionally, we have the option to create a presentation in a wide range of languages. Let's stick to English for now. You can also specify your website URL. This allows the system to automatically pick up the brand, colors, and other design details from your website to create on-brand presentations. When we click Submit, it takes a few moments for the AI engine to understand your prompt. After that, it will ask you some questions to refine the presentation. These questions are related to the prompt that you had entered. You can choose to alter it here. For now, we will stick with the default values and generate the outline. This is the outline view of the presentation. What you see here is a set of slides, with each card representing one slide. You can edit each of these slides and the content. For now, we won't make any changes. You have the option to select a theme or color, depending on your preference. There is a wide array of themes available, including various font styles and types. Let's create the presentation now. As the AI engine requires a few moments to craft your slides, we'll wait. Once done, you'll notice the presentation has begun streaming. At this point, you can choose to edit the slides or view the presentation. Let's play the slideshow. What you're seeing now is a stunning presentation created in less than a minute. Let's flip through a few slides. As you can see, Presentations.AI has created relevant content and design for each of the slide, based on your inputs. Let's close the presentation view now and explore the editing options. In the editor view, you can make any changes to the presentation. For instance, you can edit your text by directly clicking on it. If there's an image or an icon you'd like to replace, simply click on the image and select the Replace icon, which will open the image change panel. From there, you can select any image or icon that you wish to use. You can add a new slide from our exhaustive slide collection. If you wish to change the style of the presentation, you can apply a new template. Or edit the font or colors of the currently chosen style using themes. You can also configure logo, footer, and animation settings as well. Once you are ready to share your presentation, you have a few options to share. You can publish it as a link, or you can export it as a PDF or PPT. Amazing, isn't it? You just created a stunning presentation in minutes from just an idea. That's it for now. In this video, we've shown you how to create a presentation using AI in just a few minutes. In our other videos, you'll learn how to customize each aspect further. Go ahead and create your own presentations at Presentations.AI.